Speaking of money, tax season is upon us, and a lot of folks right now getting their paperwork ready and together before filing for 2023.
Now, there are some important things you need to know before sending your information off to the federal government. Our Nydia Han joins us now in studio to break it all down for us. Nydia.
Yeah, no major changes, deductions or credits, but yes, some very important things you do need to know about. Almost a third of Americans wait until the last minute to file, but there are benefits to filing early. You're less likely to make mistakes if you aren't rushing, and of course, you'll get your refund faster. Here's what else to keep in mind as you file this year.
For most taxpayers, what you'll notice is the IRS adjusted a bunch of things to account for higher than normal inflation.
Herb Weisbaum of Consumers Checkbook says be aware that the IRS adjusted the standard deduction that most people take by about 6.5%. It also adjusted income thresholds.
If the IRS had not made these tweaks to the tax brackets, something called bracket creep could have happened. People who got a cost of living adjustment because of higher inflation may have found themselves in a higher tax bracket. They wanted to prevent that.
If you bought an electric vehicle last year, make sure you see if you're eligible for up to $7,500 in tax credits.
But there are a lot of rules based on how much money you make, based on where the car was made. It had to be assembled in North America, the battery components, and the MSRP for the vehicle.
And if you're getting a refund, here's how to get your money fastest.
The best way to file your tax return is with e-file, electronic filing, and a direct deposit of any refund you're going to get.
The IRS says if you do both of those things, you should have your refund in 21 days or less.
If you file a paper return, we're talking about at least 4 weeks. Big difference.
And experts are optimistic we won't see the kind of backlog as in recent years.
They've hired more people to work the telephones. They're going to start extending the hours at some of its tax centers where you can go in and get help.
The IRS promising that overall customer service should be greatly improved. And Philadelphia Councilmember at Large Rue Landau urges people to file for free if they're eligible.
There's 240,000 Philadelphians who are eligible for free tax preparation services, but only 25% of them take advantage of it. So that's leaving millions of dollars on the table that could be in the pockets of Philadelphians.
Councilmember Landau has introduced a bill requiring tax preparers to inform consumers of free tax services. We've put more information on that and a link to free tax prep sites, not just in Philadelphia, but across the state and in New Jersey on 6abc.com/links. Back to you, Sarah.
Nydia, we need you to hold our hand through this. We appreciate it. Thank you. Thanks.